Welcome to this culinary journey, where we will explore the history of the world's most beloved food, pasta. But what is its origin, and how did it become a global food? In this article, we will see the history of pasta from ancient China to becoming a symbol of Italian and international cuisine, conquering hearts and stomachs for centuries. So pasta, contrary to what many think, was not always Italian. And today, we will find out his interesting history. Pasta has a long history, dating back to ancient China. According to historians, the Chinese were the first to make pasta, using wheat flour and water to make long, thin noodles. These noodles are heated or fried in oil and served with soy sauce and other ingredients. So, for many years, these noodles were an important part of their diet and gastronomic culture. So, how did pasta get to Italy? Although pasta originated in China, there are theories that Marco Polo brought Chinese noodles to Italy in the 1300s, where they caught on and became a staple food. Italians started making pasta in the middle of the 1300s, using wheat flour and water to make a dough that they rolled and cut in different ways. The paste was dried in the sun and kept for future use. As pasta became popular in Italy, it also began to change. Italians began to experiment with different types of pasta, and they also began to add ingredients such as eggs, cheese, and vegetables to the dough. Fresh pasta, made with eggs and flour, became a specialty of the Emilia-Romagna region. Pasta came to America with Italian immigrants in the early 20th century. However, pasta did not become popular in the United States until after World War II, when American soldiers who served in Italy returned home after tasting Italian food, including pasta, driving its popularity in America and other parts of the world. Today, pasta is a popular food all over the world, with many different shapes and forms. Pasta is served with a variety of sauces, from classic tomato to carbonara, bolognese, and pesto. In addition, with new recipes, there are now many gluten-free pasta options for those with allergies or intolerances. Today, pasta is not just a food. It is a culinary heritage that has traveled the world and evolved over time. So, no matter where we are, there will always be a plate of pasta waiting to delight us with its beautiful taste. If you liked this journey through the history of pasta, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment with your favorite type of pasta. See you in the next video.